So you want to set up your own online store for almost nothing? Grab the Shopify deal from the description or scan the QR code on the screen. First, there's a 3-day free trial, risk-free. After that, you get Shopify for just $1 per month for the next 3 months. That's full access for pennies. When your discount period is over, you can switch to an annual plan and save 25%. For example, the basic plan usually costs $39 per month, but the annual plan brings it down to about $29 per month. The Grow plan drops from $105 per month to $79 per month. And the Advanced plan goes from $399 per month to $299 per month if you choose annual billing and get the discount. And here's an important disclaimer. All these prices are accurate at the time of making this video. But Shopify runs special deals year-round, so the link in my video description is always up to date and guarantees you the biggest discount, no matter the season or ongoing promotion. Every Shopify plan gives you essentials: easy store setup, unlimited products, secure checkout, built-in marketing tools, and top-tier support. Whichever plan you choose, use my updated link below for the latest deal. If this video helped, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more deals and e-commerce tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye.